Hello friends, we're gonna read Oinky Oink Oink. That means it's Happy Pig Day. I'm Mo Willems. Gerald, I am so happy. Today is the best day of the year. Today is free of ice cream. No, today is Happy Pig Day! Happy Pig Day! Yes, Happy Pig Day, the day of the pig. It is the best day to have a big party. It is the best day to sing pig songs. It is the best day to dance pig dances. It is the best day to eat pig food. It is the best day to play pig games. It is the best day to say, oinky, oink, oink. That means Happy Pig Day in pig. Oh, I did not know about Happy Pig Day. Look, oinky, oink, oink. All my friends are here. Oinky, oink, oink. Oinky, oink, oink. That's a lot of pigs. Oinky, oink, oink. Oinky, oink, oink. Isn't this great, Gerald? Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? I am sorry, Piggy. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I do not have snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink. I want to say Happy Pig in pig, but I am not a pig. I am an elephant, and I do not belong. Are you okay, Gerald? Happy Pig Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig Day is for anyone who loves pigs. What do you say to that? I say oinky, oink, oink. Happy Pig Day to everyone.